Momentum investing is a strategy based on the idea that assets which have been performing well will continue to do so in the near future. In physics, momentum is mass in motion. In finance, it is price in motion. Investors typically look at price movements over the last 3 to 12 months to identify these trends. The strategy relies on buying into strength and exiting positions once the trend starts to lose its steam. Unlike value investing, which hunts for bargains, momentum ignores the underlying price justification and focuses strictly on the direction of the trend. Charts show how an asset moves over time, helping investors decide if the current direction is strong enough to justify an entry. This classic saying reflects the core risk of momentum investing. Trends can reverse quickly without warning. Remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. Subscribe for more financial basics and keep learning.